Lithium batteries don't store energy the way you think. A tiny chemical war rages inside every cell, and one spark can turn it violent. Here's the truth. It's all about lithium ions shuttling between two solid surfaces. The cathode is lithium iron phosphate, stable, slow to panic, almost unburnable. The anode is usually graphite, just sitting there holding the tension. The electrolyte is a liquid highway for ions, smooth but flammable if provoked. The separator, thinner than a hair, barely keeping chaos at bay. Every charge pushes ions across that thin line. Every discharge pulls them back, too fast, too hot, and the balance shatters. Most batteries will survive, but not all. And when it fails, it's sudden, uncontrollable, terrifying. A cell this small can release energy like a firecracker in your pocket, and lethal payload is the one that whispers danger instead of screaming it. Wait. The battery you trust is a tiny, tense powder keg in disguise.